If you want your outdoor power equipment to start up easily and run strong, it's important to do periodic maintenance. At least once per year, you should tune up the engine, replacing the air filter, spark plug, and the fuel filter. The tune-up kit includes these 3 parts, making the annual tune-up easy. Installing a tune-up kit in your small engine is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
We'll begin the tune-up by installing the new spark plug. First, I'll remove the old one. Now I can install the new spark plug. Before I thread it into the cylinder, I need to check the gap between the electrodes. For this tool, the gap should be 26 thousandths of an inch. I'll use a gapping tool to check it. And that looks good. With the spark plug gapped, now I can thread it into the cylinder. Next, we'll replace the air filter. The air filter is located behind the air filter cover, and it's secured with a thumb screw. I'll go ahead and remove it. And I'll install the new air filter. You'll notice one side of the filter has a hub. I'll install it with that hub pointing out. And reinstall the cover. And last, we'll install the new fuel filter. I'll remove the fuel cap, and I'll use a bent hook to pull the fuel line away from the tank. I'll remove the old fuel filter from the fuel line, and I'll be careful that I don't lose the wire retainer. I'll place the retainer over the fuel line so it's about 1/8 of an inch from the end. Then I'll install the new fuel filter. With the filter installed, I'll insert the fuel line back into the tank. And I'll finish by resecuring the cap. And that's how you can install a tune-up kit in your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.